So it's my last day in India. I am at the border with Myanmar and we cross tomorrow morning. I bumped into Chris, Frank and Petra a few nights ago who I'm crossing Myanmar with, so it's been nice to have some company for a few nights, having left the Indian Royal Enfield bikers at the festival. We have 19 days in Myanmar and it's one of these countries that you can't just ride through yourself, so we have an arranged tour with hotels booked, so in that sense we kind of know where we're staying each night and that's all arranged, which takes a bit of the fun out, but it makes things easier as well. The crossing into Myanmar only opened up last year, so we are one of the first handful of groups to come through by motorbike, so that's pretty exciting. And they just had the election, so things are going to be changing pretty quick from here on out, so it's good to get in while we can. The crossing hopefully will go fairly smoothly. Tomorrow I'm aware that there were some bridges that were washed out a few months ago, so hopefully they've rebuilt those, because the reports were of some pretty rickety boats taking you across those. So ready to move on. Goodbye India. Hello Southeast Asia. It's Petra's mum's 75th birthday coming up, so she is press ganging all the locals into singing for her.
Happy birthday to you.
We crossed into Myanmar a couple of hours ago and we've done a little over 100k, so we're sort of pushing into it, and we're going to try and push on a bit further tonight, which will make tomorrow a little bit more manageable. Roads are nice, people are nice. It's Southeast Asia. We're here. So we've been in Burma over a week. We're getting a bit Christmassy. We've got some Christmas tunes playing. Eric's got a Christmas tree on his bike. It's all been pretty easy. The hotels have been, on the whole, pretty good. But we've got a long day today. We're going to head to the beach and miss out one of the stops. So more days at the beach, but a bit more driving. So my goal for today was to make it to the beach before sunset, and just about. It's taken 20-something thousand kilometres to get here, and it's quite a stunning spot. So I think it's time to sign off. I haven't spoken to you since Myanmar, which was weeks ago, and I haven't filmed much, so I think we're coming to an end, both of the videos and of the journey. The last few days in Myanmar, well, maybe the last week, were fairly tough. We had a rather ill group member, and he had to ride his bike some days, although I don't know how he did it, and some days we managed to put it on a truck. So that was a real shame for the last few days. The big highlight in Myanmar for me was I managed to slightly rearrange the itinerary and got to spend a night at a monastery with an old friend of mine who's been there on and off for the last 7 years. So that was something I didn't think I was going to be able to get to do, and I'm so happy that I had that opportunity. We got up to Chiang Mai for Christmas. The roads in Thailand are just incredible. Either 4-lane highway, and you can actually get some speed up for the first time in months, or some really good 2-lane through the mountains, really good twisties. After that, I headed up to Vang Vieng for New Year's, because I thought that'd be the finest place to spend that in the area. And now I've got a couple of weeks, I think, just riding around Lao. This is where I first really started to ride 7 years ago. So it's good to come back on my own bike and revisit a few of the roads that really got me into touring by bike. And then back down to Bangkok and fly home. So I might not speak to you again. I might put up some footage of the last few days riding, or maybe something really exciting will happen and I will feel compelled to speak to you again. If not, goodbye. I hope you've enjoyed the videos. Like, subscribe. If there are any more, who knows.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Helga. Happy birthday to